What if one shotgun could switch between semi-automatic fire and pump-action mode in seconds? Meet the legendary Franchi SPAS-12, one of the most iconic combat shotguns ever created. Designed in Italy by Luigi Franchi and introduced in 1979, the SPAS-12 was built for military and law enforcement forces that needed maximum versatility on the battlefield. What made the shotgun truly unique was its dual-mode operating system. With a simple switch, the shooter could change from fast-firing semi-automatic operation to reliable pump-action mode. This allowed the SPAS-12 to handle everything from powerful buckshot and slugs to lower-powered specialty ammunition. Chambered in 12-gauge, the shotgun could hold up to 8 rounds in its tubular magazine, delivering serious close-range firepower when it mattered most. The SPAS-12 wasn't a lightweight firearm. Weighing nearly 10 pounds, it was built like a tank. Its rugged construction made it durable enough to withstand harsh conditions and demanding missions. One of its most recognizable features was the folding metal stock and distinctive barrel heat shield. The shotgun also featured a unique hook beneath the stock, designed to help support one-handed firing in specialized situations. Military units, police tactical teams, and security forces around the world adopted the SPAS-12 for its reliability and adaptability. Its intimidating appearance quickly made it famous far beyond the battlefield. The shotgun became a Hollywood superstar, appearing in blockbuster movies, TV shows, and countless video games. Even people who knew little about firearms could instantly recognize its aggressive and futuristic design. Production continued until the year 2000, but the SPAS-12 remains one of the most sought-after shotguns among collectors today. Its combination of innovation, versatility, and unmistakable looks helped secure its place in firearm history. The Franchi SPAS-12 wasn't just a shotgun, it was a